Okay, I've got exciting news. Valencia Sky just announced their floor plans and pricing. We've all been waiting for this. And I've got the scoop for you today. But first, if this is your first time to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe button because you're going to be the first to know about the latest real estate information in Naples. My name is Mindy Sylvester, and I've been selling real estate in Naples for about 25 years. I've sold probably around 100 new construction homes. So I can definitely help you in buying new construction so that you can make the right choices, lot upgrades, so many choices so that you get the highest return on your investment when it's time for you to resell. Okay, let's talk about the floor plans. They just announced the floor plans and pricing. We've got the Halo, which is 2+ den and 2 baths. It's 1,810 square feet and it starts at 635.9. Now, of course, you're going to have your lot premium and your upgrades on top of that. You've got the Luna floor plan, which is 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. It's 1,805 square feet, and its starting price is 635.9 as well. You've got the Skyline, which is 3+ den and 3 bathrooms, 2,009 square feet, and that one starts at 659.9. You've got the Eclipse, which is 3+ den and 3 bathrooms, 2,070 square feet, starting at 665.9. The Horizon, it is a 2+ den, a 2.5 bath. The square footage is 2,273, and it is starting at 699.9. And then you've got a 2-story, which is called the Solstice. It's a 4 bedroom, 4 bath, 2-story, 2,770 square feet, starting price at 729.9. Now, there are some incentives right now. The only incentive that I know about is for military, first responders, and GL repeat customers, which is a $1,500 credit towards your closing costs. But we do believe there are going to be other incentives. So definitely contact me for more info. I am right down the road from Valencia Sky. I'm going to be sending you, they don't have the models up yet. They are working out of a different community. I will be getting you videos of the floor plans. I'm going to do the model homes that they have at the other community. So stay tuned for that. If you have any questions at all, please contact me. You will want representation when you go to buy your new construction home, and I would love to help you. So contact me for more information. And let's get you a brand new home in this fabulous new neighborhood. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.